Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of Archer and Olive's March subscription box that came in the mail yesterday. And so it says, gather your blanket and pack your favorite lunch. Bring your supplies to a special spot that brings you happiness as we enjoy a charming picnic. Now I did look at the spoilers on Archer and Olive's YouTube and it is absolutely amazing and I cannot wait to see what's inside. I love the packaging so much, it's so pretty, and so I'll push it back so we have room to unbox everything. So first, I'm gonna open up what I'm most excited about is, let me zoom in a little bit, this really cute, zoom in a bit more, okay, this really cute A6 size notebook. I love the packaging, it's so cute. Okay, got it without scissors, I think, there we go. And let's take a look. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's got a canvas texture. I love the patterning on there. It's so cute. There's a little band, keep it closed. Let's take a look inside. Gold foil accents, it's so pretty. We have dot grid paper and the signature Archer and Olive bookmark. You get 2 of them. It's a pretty color. And I think I'm going to use this for like a mini art journal. I saw the ambassador team member Shauna Klingerman and she inspired me to make a mini art journal, so I think that's what I'm going to do. And then the back of it, a little cute pocket. And oh, I love this so much. Adorable. Put that to the side. And then next we have a set of, set of storage crates. And I also saw the teasers of these and I cannot wait to open these up. So cute. Let's open them up. That is so cute, and it's got the Archer and Olive logo on there. You can see. And then there's a second one. Oops. And what's really cool about these, almost got it. There you go. And that one also has the Archer and Olive logo, and you can stack them like this, and then you can put your pens in there and washi tape, so whenever you're creating on the go, and they encourage you to create outside with this sub box, so you can take your stuff outside in these little crates. Really cool. And then we have a set of calligraph pens, and here's the colors you get. It looks like blue, green, orange, pink. It almost looks like gray too. I love calligraph pens. You get a thicker tip and you get a thinner tip. Maybe I'll swatch these out in this video. And then the next thing we'll open up is the set of wooden icon stamps. Try not to ruin the box, but I tend to do that. There you go. So it'll pop right out. Ah. Just see and push it out. There we go. Okay. So it comes in a wooden container, storage container. Close up. And zoom in a bit. And then it comes with a flower, looks like a strawberry, another flower, and more flowers, a ladybug, leaves, and more leaves. And then you get a little ink pad. It looks gray. It's really cool. I love stamping. And look at the box. Actually, no, I'll just put it in there right now. And then we have Tiny Picnic in a Box and a set of stickers. Almost got it open. Oh, he's so cute. He's even cuter in person. Oh my gosh. So cute. And it comes with, so it's a little basket. So adorable. And then it comes with stickers that are in like a little picnic table, like a picnic blanket. So we have, looks like a charcuterie board, I forgot how you say it. 2 of those. We have some glasses. Looks like pink lemonade. It's cute. 2 of those. And we have a ladybug and a flower together. It's cute. And then we have strawberries. Some strawberries. You can put them in your little picnic basket to take to the picnic. So cute. And I think I may be missing the washi tape. I didn't miss it anywhere. Hopefully I can get the missing washi tape because there's not in the box. So anyway, the next thing is solar scrap paper. Now I'm not going to open this now because Archer and Olive said that to not open it till you're ready to use it. And the cool thing is, it says, please don't open until you're ready to use. The light will expose the paper and cause it to not work properly. Gather your items and arrange them on a piece of solar paper out of the reach of the sun. Place an acrylic sheet on top of to flatten and hold your items to the solar paper. You may need to remove the protective liner from the acrylic sheet. Step 3. Bring your solar paper outside and place it on direct sunlight for 2 to 5 minutes. Step 4. Place your solar paper in water bath for 1 to 5 minutes. Lay on your solar paper flat on an absorbent area and allow it to dry completely. Use your new art as scrap paper in your journal. Cannot wait to try that. And then the last thing is one I'm most stoked to see is the B5 notebook. I saw this in the spoilers as well, and it's so pretty. It's, I think, one of my favorite Archer and Olive notebooks ever. So get into it. And I think I'm going to use it as a memory journal that I write about when I journal about the day. And I still have to go back and add photos to some other ones because I'm behind on adding photos. But oops. Plastic stuck to me. Okay. Off to the side. So here's the beautiful box it comes in. And that is so pretty. Even prettier in person too. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Embroidered, beautifully embroidered. Looks like strawberry with ladybugs and florals on there. And it looks, I think it's a vegan leather cover. I forgot what it says in the back. Oh, I forgot, but anyway, so let's open it up. And on this page, we also have the gold to open up the page, open up the notebook, and it's 160 pages, yeah, 160 pages, 100, and then 160 GSM paper, Dr. Ray paper. And so here's the bookmark to mark your place with the Extra Nibble logo. And what I love about B5 is that it gives you more room to journal or your planner, whichever you choose to use it for. And then in the back, oops, it has a pocket to put stickers and whatever you want. And then it has a little elastic band to close it. And also I'm an affiliate with Extra Nibble, so you can grab this box with my affiliate link. And you cannot use my code on this item box, but you can use my code DanielleFL10 for other items on the store, and I'll earn a small commission when my link and code is used. And thank you so much for watching, and please like this video and subscribe. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my unboxing of the Extra Nibble March sub box. This was not in my package, so thank you Extra Nibble for sending it separately. So this is the a little extra to nibble on box, and so let's get into it. So first we have adorable box of washi tape. I love washi, and I love it so much, like the strawberries and everything. So let's get into it. Yay, I didn't mess up the box. Okay. So the first one we have is this, oops, cute, it's like almost like a plaid print with flowers on it, really pretty. I love that, it's so cute. And then the next one we have, feel it there, is, it looks like strawberries and ladybugs. That's adorable. Really cute. And then next washi is also a pretty design. It actually is like the stamp that I showed at the beginning of the video, and it's like a flower stamp. Really pretty. Love the pink color in that. Washi are my favorite stationery items, I think, ever. And then the last one, probably my favorite one, strawberries and flowers. Let's see where it starts, I can show it to you. Really pretty. I love strawberries, especially dipped in chocolate. Actually, strawberries and peanut butter is good too. Anyway, and the last thing in this little cute box is creative affirmation cards. This is, which card do you need to read today? It comes in a nice little envelope. So the first one says, your future looks bright. I approve of my art, and I have to admit, sometimes I'm always critical of my art, but I try not to be, so that is a very important one to me. And then the second one says, through my art, I inspire others. Then the next one says, every day I improve my creativity. Creative energy runs through me. My art speaks to those who need it. My imagination knows no bounds. I'm confident in my self-expression. It's an important one too. My art is authentic to me, and I'm a visual storyteller. And the last affirmation card is, my mind is free to go wild. I love affirmation cards, and I love the little strawberries on it. And so I'm not sure if put them in my journal, but maybe I can make like a little pocket or something and stick them in there. That could be really cool. So thank you so much for watching, and also I'm an affiliate with Extra Nibble, so if you would like this box, I'll put the link in my description. You can't use my code on this item for discount, but you can use it on other items on extranibble.com, and my link and code is used on a small commission. And so thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.